Morning stretch after waking up for women. Hi, today I'm going to guide you through a refreshing morning stretch routine designed specifically for women. Let's make the most of our mornings. Do you often wake up feeling stiff and sluggish? Don't worry, you're not alone. Morning stiffness is a common issue, but the good news is, a simple stretch routine can work wonders. Let me ask this: struggling to find energy in the morning? A quick stretching session can boost your circulation and wake up your entire body. Now move to the stretches. Seated forward reach. First, let's begin with the seated forward reach. Sit comfortably with your legs bent like yoga pose. Slowly reach forward, aiming to touch your toes. Hold for a few breaths and feel that stretch along your back and hamstrings. Seated side stretch. Next, we have the seated side stretch. Sit with your legs crossed. Reach your right arm over your head and lean to the left, feeling the stretch along your side. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. Cocoons. Now, let's do cocoons. Lie on your back, hug your knees to your chest. You can rock gently side to side. This stretch releases tension in your lower back and massages your spine. Seated side to side neck. For the seated side to side neck stretch, sit up straight and gently tilt your head from side to side. This helps release tension in your neck and shoulders. Lying single knee swings. Next, we have lying single knee swings. Lie on your back, bend one knee, and gently swing it side to side. This movement helps to loosen up your hips and lower back. V-shaped hip stretch. For the V-shaped hip stretch, lie on your back legs extended. Bend your legs in a V shape. This stretch targets your inner thighs and hips. Seated forward neck stretch. Now, the seated forward neck stretch. Sit comfortably and gently tilt your head forward, bringing your chin towards your chest. Hold for a few breaths to stretch the back of your neck. Seated knee hug glute stretch. For the seated knee hug glute stretch, sit up straight. Legs are extended in front of you. Now hug one knee towards your chest and hold. This stretch targets your glutes and lower back. Half happy baby. Next, the half happy baby. Lie on your back, grab the sole of one foot with your hand, and gently pull your knee towards your armpit. This pose opens up your hips and stretches your inner thighs. Lying leg over knee glute stretch. For the lying leg over knee glute stretch, lie on your back, cross one ankle over the opposite knee, and gently pull the uncrossed leg towards you. This stretch targets your glutes and lower back. Lying leg over knee twist. Finally, we have the lying leg over knee twist. Lie on your back, cross one knee over the other leg, and let your knees fall to the side. This twist stretches your spine and hips. And there you have it. A quick and easy morning stretch routine to help you feel more awake, energized, and ready to take on the day. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Have a wonderful day, and see you next time.